Hello all. So today we are going to see three dash function: end of month, end of quarter, end of year. So end of month return the month of last date. So whenever you found the end of month, end of quarter, it will always work on the last date of calendar. Whatever the date column we have, so it will consider the last date for the all three dash function. So first we will see end of month, then we will see end of quarter, and then we will see end of year. So I will just create one function end of month. So here syntax is very easy. Just you need to mention our date column. So we have date column. So basically we have some players data and their scores, right, runs. So let's see the what it will return as a result. So I will just create one card and just increase so let's see what end of month will return. Now you can see it return the last date, right? So if I want to change the syntax, so what I will do, I just select the short date. So we have the last date is the 14th July, right? If I go to the data, so if I do the descending, so you can see we have the 14 July. It end of month will not return the end last date of the month, but it will in the last day, right? For that, so we have the last day the 14 July. So again what I will do, I will just copy the same syntax and we will see the end of quarter. So it means last date is the main date that we use for the end of the month, end of the quarter, and end of the year. So here I just change the end of quarter. So now we just see what it will result. So I will just change the our DAX name, that is end of quarter. So it will also return the same output that end of month have written, right? So I will just create one card. Now we will see the result of end of quarter. So it also return the same date, and I will just change the format. So whenever you want to change the format of any DAX, just click on the DAX, and here we have the option to change the format. Just click on that and select the respective format that we want. And I will just decrease the size. Also I will copy the same DAX and we will see the end of year. So it means that at the last date we are year is ending, right? So it will return the last date. So if I select, so it will not like you thought that it will return the last date of year 22, no 31st. So it will return the whatever date we have, so that last date it will return. So I will select the end of year, and here I will select date. And click on the, again I will click one more DAX and one more card. Now we will see the result. So again it will return the last date. So I will change the format. And this 3 dash function, end of month, end of quarter, end of year, we can use with the calculate function as a filter function also. So here what I will do, just we will see the total runs, calculate sum, what we want. So we want runs. Now let's see, so we want total runs on the end of the month. So what it will return, let's see. So 67 is the, so if you go to the last record, so last record is 14 July and runs is 67. Same thing with the end of quarter also. So here again we can use the calculate, then runs expression. So expression, what we want sum. So which column we want sum, so we want runs, sum of runs, then filter. So this end of quarter act as a filter function. So now I will close the bracket. So it return the 67 again. Even though end of quarter also return the 67. If I again go to the end of this existing DAX and calculate what we want expression, so we want sum of runs, then close the bracket and $67. So that's all about the end of month, end of quarter and end of year. So if you have any question, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.